Hi everyone, this is Sharon. I'm back today with a couple of flip throughs of two journals that I recently completed. I made these for a custom order, and I always like to present a couple of options. So depending on which one the person picks, I will list the other one in my Etsy shop. Likely I will split this into two separate videos, I'm thinking, because each of these has more than 250 pages in each. So I'll try to flip through fairly quickly. She wanted a journal that is going to be used for a lot of writing, so I didn't overly embellish them at all, but they are quite thick. And I made these from a couple of nice old book covers. So I think I'll start with Thelma. I want to call these Thelma and Louise, but it's Thelma and St. Elmo. I'll stick with the title of the book. So this one I used an organza ribbon for the closure. And it's got some nice roses on the front, a beautiful book spine, and then a nice patina on the back. And the primary digital kit that I used in this one is a kit from Shabbydabbydoodah. And of course I didn't write it down, so I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but I'll list it below. So I tried to provide as much writing space as possible, and even these light pattern papers are fine for writing. I think they would make some really fun writing surfaces. I tucked or inserted pockets and tuck spots throughout. And this is the title page of the book. In the center here, I've got a pocket, and then I just inserted a little journaling card that I made. This is some seam binding that I stitched to the page. This flips out, and in there I tucked a couple of journaling cards. Did light embellishing on some of the pages, a little bit of stamping. This is a corner tuck. Tucked a little card up in this corner. This is stitched on. This is a journaling card I tucked over the side of the page. And there's ledger paper on the back. I love this kit by Shabbydabbydoodah. It's got some beautiful florals and colors in it. I would say it's primarily light muted blues, pinks, and creams, and some big, I would say gray, kind of grayish blue background. Little tuck spot up there. This is a corner tuck. And I intermingled some vintage book pages. This is a printout. These sheets are actually a kit from TaylorMade Journals, and I will list that as well because I use those quite a bit throughout the journal as well. And they make really nice backgrounds for writing. Here I clicked on a little journaling card. It's a tuck spot. Here's a journaling card that I just tied up with some string. This is one that flips over the side of the page. There's a place to journal inside. And I just glued these two pieces together with some cheesecloth. Edith Holden book page. This is a belly band. Journaling card. The tuck spot. Journaling card. Here I made a little journaling notebook of sorts and did a little stitching along the edge. This is made from vintage wallpaper. It's really a thick kind of vinyl. I just love the pattern on there. And these centerpieces that you see on a number of the signatures are actually pages from an old Italian book from the mid-1800s. And it's got that nice cotton rag feeling to the pages. The journaling card tucked in there. Corner tuck. The book pages that you see in here are from the original book. Just added a couple of little ornaments on the bottom of the strings there. This is a tuck spot on the side. This is another pocket on this side. This is a side tuck. Journaling card. And that's the back side. So this is Thelma, and I'll be back in the next video with St. Elmo. Bye-bye.